Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Google Forms isn't just for quizzes, it's a powerful registration tool. But how do you convert those registrations into personalized event passes, visitor badges, or even ID cards without endless manual work? Most tools stop at certificates, but Smart Certificates unlocks a world of document generation possibilities. Smart Certificates isn't just for academic awards. It's a highly versatile tool that can generate any document you can design in Google Slides, populating it with data directly from your Google Forms submissions. Today, we'll focus on creating professional ID cards and VIP passes for an event. First, design your ID card or pass template in Google Slides. Use a vertical layout for a typical badge. Include static elements like your event name, company logo, and a prominent VIP passes indicator. Now, add your dynamic placeholders. For an ID card, name and designation are crucial. You can also add company name, valid date, or even photo if you're collecting image uploads. Remember those double curly braces? They tell Smart Certificates where to insert the data. Save your custom template to your Google Drive. Next, ensure your Google form collects all the necessary information, like name, company, designation, and a photo upload field if you're including images. In the Smart Certificates add-on, navigate to Certificate Settings and select your custom ID card template. Now, map your placeholders, name to the name form question, designation to designation, and photo to your photo upload question. Set a clear file name like VIP Pass name for easy organization. Finally, personalize your email message, save your settings, and turn on Run on Form Submit. Watch as a new attendee submits their registration. Smart Certificates instantly processes the data, generates a beautiful ID card, and emails it directly to them as a PDF. This not only provides a professional and seamless experience for your attendees, but also automates a critical administrative task, giving you more time to focus on your event. Unlock the full potential of your Google Forms. From certificates to ID cards, Smart Certificates is your all-in-one document automation solution. Stop dreading large-scale certificate events. With Smart Certificates bulk generation, you can ensure everyone gets their due recognition fast. Install Smart Certificates today and experience unparalleled automation. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.